My friends, let me share with you an amazing story. There was a fellow who called me up and mentioned that he was in a synagogue and he saw an elderly man go to the bathroom. After he came out of the bathroom, he was standing there by himself, and instead of making the beracha of Asher Yatzar, he walked over to the side and he took out his phone. And he called his wife, and with his wife on the line, he said, "Are you ready?" The voice said yes. And he made the beracha of Asher Yatzar slowly, clearly, with kavanah. And all of a sudden he heard the voice on the other end of the line say, Amen. What a beautiful thing that this elderly couple was doing. That he was saying the beracha and making sure that there was someone to answer Amen to his beracha. From that moment, an idea was born. The idea became what is now known as the Amen hotline. I only found out about this a short while ago. I joined it myself, and it's so exciting. The idea is simple. The halacha is that if someone makes a beracha and you're on the phone and listening live, you're allowed to say Amen. Many great tzaddikim would not make a beracha until someone was ready to answer the word Amen. So if they were hungry at home alone, they would wait or take their food to another location so that they could make a beracha and have someone answer the Amen. And if there was no one to say Amen, they would not make the beracha. They would not eat the food that they needed to eat. From this, my friends, comes a magnificent idea. A group for men separately, for women separately, where many people sign up. And as soon as you're in this group and you're ready to make a beracha, by yourself, in the office, at home, you hit group call. It rings on a bunch of people's phones. Whoever can answers the phone. And you say, are you ready? Baruch atah Hashem, Elokeinu melech haolam, she'akol niyad baro. Asher yatzar et ha'adam b'chokhmah, borei pri ha'adama, borei minei mezonot. And people, wherever they are, in their offices, at home, in the airport, they have a second, they get a mitzvah. They're part of that beracha. Your beracha did not go unanswered, and that person was blessed with the beracha of having an amen in his bank account. What could be easier? What could be simpler? To join, go to the link below. Go to the website and you'll see you could join a men's group or a women's group. You'll join into the group and your phone will start ringing off the hook with very quick, very easy opportunities to make the beautiful mitzvah of saying Amen.